Hi there. When my mother, at the age of 14, flee Europe, escaped the Nazis, um, and she came from a very poor, small village in Hungary, Barkaso, which is now part of Ukraine. All she could think of at that time was about maybe to grow up to be a successful farmer, maybe. Okay? And look, now I'm in the center of a kibbutz, extremely successful and worth probably hundreds of millions of dollars, or at least tens of millions of dollars, at least. And how do you do it? She came here with only all of them were something like 30 young people. That's it. So how do you make such a successful project? They turn people who came with nothing, escaping Europe. All of them were Holocaust survivors, to a successful kibbutz. I believe it is because a dream, because you don't think of it as a factory, as something that you want to make an exit. No, you dream high. You want to accomplish something that is unbelievable, and you don't think about money. You just want to do the right thing. You want to do something better than any time ever before, for yourself and for your kids. Something that will be left after you. It's not about your bank account. And then maybe you have a chance to do something significant. Bye bye.